आज हम आए हैं लोगों से बात करने के लिए अबाउट द फिल्म व्हाई चीट इंडिया। ये फिल्म है जो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम का डार्क साइड दिखाती है। कई जगह पेपर्स लीक होते हैं, कई जगह आपकी जगह कोई और एग्ज़ाम देने चला जाता है, कई जगह टीचर्स खुद मदद करती है स्टूडेंट्स का। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि कितने लोग इस बारे में सच बोलेंगे और कितने झूठ। लेट्स फिगर आउट। सो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं व्हाई चीट इंडिया एक फ़िल्म है जो इमरान हाशमी की रिलीज़ होने वाली है, विच शोज़ द डार्क साइड ऑफ आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम। सो हाउ ट्रू डू यू थिंक इज़ दैट?
It is true.
I think it's really true that
It's very common actually.
it's absolutely true.
Yeah, I mean, there are many practices that happen in college through which students cheat.
Personally, in my college life, and right from I think since the 5th standard, I've noticed several people cheating in my class. Oh no! So I think it's really true that there is this flaw in our education system which needs to be rectified, and there are measures that need to be taken because that's how people unfairly sometimes get a place which they don't deserve actually, and someone who deserves the opportunity misses out on it.
Well, that's pretty true. I mean, the education system has been the same since the past 15 years, 20 years now.
As per the reports and in many states it is true.
Do you cheat?
Yes, I do. Oh no! I take my phone along with me and I do cheat. Everyone cheats.
He gave me the idea of taking the phone once this last trimester and we took the phone.
So you guys take your phones basically and then cheat. So teacher पकड़ती नहीं?
Nahin, we keep it here and we copy like this. Nothing happened.
I was very bad at cheating actually, and even जब and I was like among the good students, तो एक टाइम जब करने की भी कोशिश करी तो बहुत बुरी तरह पकड़ी गई थी.
Not cheated, but yeah, sometimes the copy is fine.
Not cheated, but yeah, sometimes.
And that's how I reached 11th.
Yeah, of course. Actually, I cheated in my both exams.
Oh my God, how did you do that?
I managed to do it. Not serious cheating, just I asked the people, guys around me, my peers and all, just normal cheating.
So, okay, so you basically didn't carry chits or phones or something like that with you. You asked people.
I carried cheat in my pre-board, not on the during the main boards. Yeah.
So how sure were you कि आपने जब ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में चीट किया और आपने लोगों से पूछा, उन्होंने आपको सही जवाब दिया कि नहीं दिया?
जवाब मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं था, तो उन्होंने जो जवाब दिया होगा सही हो ना हो, कम से कम स्कोप तो बनता है.
Yeah, I have cheated and like in the movie वो पे करते हैं उस बंदे को चीट करने के लिए. I have done that.
मुझे एग्जाम देना है, बाद में मेरा रिजल्ट आने वाला है, so I don't think I've never cheated.
Not the mass level cheating. Normal cheating is like
Normal cheating में क्या?
sign language.
I'm strictly against cheating as a whole.
Usually parents बच्चों को कहते हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग में जाओ, मैनेजमेंट में जाओ, डॉक्टर बनो, ये बनो. So do you think that's a pressure or do you think that's the right thing to do?
Parents guide us. That's the main thing. See, if you go in arts, commerce, science, it depends on your talent. Your parents are just guiding you. So I think it is necessary to take their opinion too.
It's a pressure.
Pressure. My parents were very cool about it. Said करना है जो करना है. I was like, I will do.
मैं कर ले यार.
पास हो जाना 12th में, बाकी जो मर्जी कर ले.
जो करना है कर जिंदगी में, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. That is a big pressure. There have been suicides because of that. So that is a very big problem in our country and that should not be the case.
It's a pressure. अभी उसको करना है तो that's why he has to do something to do that. I mean, that's why the copying and all that happens. So you should not force your children to, you know.
No, it is definitely a pressure. ऐसा pressure exist करता है, but I would just say कि जैसे जैसे अभी awareness आ रही है तो parents को नहीं करना चाहिए.
So I have many friends and they have a lot of talent in other areas. Because of parental pressure, they have to stick to conventional fields like engineering or doctorate, and they don't want to do that. So even though they're exceptional children, they don't end up doing well because it's not the chosen field. So when parents and the family as a whole, the entire mindset needs to change.
आप क्या कर रहे हो? क्या आप अपने मन की कर रहे हो कि आप मम्मी पापा की मन की?
My parents, luckily, they are very chill and relaxed, so they've given me the opportunity to do whatever I want.
My parents have shown me the right path कि इधर ऐसा होने वाला है और उधर ऐसा होने वाला है. And in the end it was my decision and I love doing what I am doing.
My parents have been very supportive. I was really good at maths and science and all of that. But I went to them and I told them I want to do law and they were more than happy to let me do what I wanted to do.
मेरे घर में I've been very free. मुझे जो करना रहता है मुझे उसको option like दिया जाता है कि जो आपको अच्छा लगे आप वो करो. So my family is very supportive in that thing and my mother is my pillar in that she's like जो करना है करो.
Have you ever heard of papers being leaked?
Of course.
Yes.
जब पेपर लीक होता है, I mean, I would feel guilty about it.
आपके कॉलेज में या स्कूल में कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
कॉलेज में तो कभी नहीं हुआ, कॉलेज के बाहर होता है.
In other schools I have heard, but not in my school. It had never happened with me.
आपने कभी इस चीज़ को एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी लिया कि पेपर मिल रहा है तो चलो ले लेती हूँ, शायद मैं पास हो जाऊँ?
फिर पढ़ने का फ़ायदा क्या हुआ इतना?
I wouldn't like to cheat that paper. I would like to report it because in the end it won't benefit anybody.
So जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, there are a lot of people who are educated yet unemployed. There are a lot of people who are not educated at all but they are working really well. What do you have to say about?
लोगों को एक्चुअल में उतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहता है बट कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है कि हम कर सकते हो और उन लोग कर देते हैं.
Many people who do not have the privilege actually have the potential to do a lot. So there should be like equalization of opportunities is what I believe, and yeah.
There's a difference between hard work and smart work. Some people do hard work and some people on the other hand do smart work.
There's a major factor called luck. So luck favors, जिसके favor में luck वो आगे जाएगा. That is about the basic skills a human can acquire. There's nothing about education and all. It's about what you do with what you know. You have to make 100% of what your skills are and not what you have.
See, basic education I think is a must. However, you don't just need education for doing extremely well in life. There are people like we had Dhirubhai Ambani, not that well educated, but I think he did pretty well for himself, coming from slums and doing well because he was a dynamic person. Similarly, I think people it's not only the education aspect that matters, the person's personality and approach towards life also matters.
Do you think this film will bring in some awareness and try to change our education system?
Yes, I think it would, definitely. Actually, our education system is in dire need of change and हम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एग्ज़ाम से पहले बैठ के देवर सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स जो उस वक्त पूरा मोटिवेशन हार के बोलने लग जाते थे कि ये एजुकेशन सोसाइटी इन लोग को सिर्फ मार्क्स की पढ़ी है, इन लोग को हमारा एक्चुअल हमें कितना आता है उस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ी नहीं है. एंड आई टू टेल देम कि अभी कल एग्ज़ाम है, आज पढ़ लो, उसके बाद बाहर निकल के सिस्टम चेंज करना.
Yeah, I think there are many policies and the government should play an important role in implementing some things which prevent all this.
Should change, but everything takes time. I mean, it doesn't happen in a day. It is a gradual process, so it will take some time if it has to change.
It's not a momentary process. It needs to take time. It will take years to do that. And one film might do something to create awareness, but as a whole, it needs to come from within.
तो दोस्तों ये था लोगों का कहना with regards to our education system which definitely needs a change. Now will the film Why Cheat India bring in that change?